Morning, children. How are you? I hope you are staying safe and healthy at your homes. Today, we are going to start with the new chapter Matter. You see different things around you, different substances like glass, water, this comb, this hairband, this pen. All these things are made up of different materials. For example, this comb is made up of wood. This is made up of glass. This is made up of plastic. This is also made up of plastics. So all the different things that we see around us, they are called matter and they are made up of different materials. All these substances occupy some space. For example, this comb is occupying this much of space. This glass is occupying this much of space. So, matter occupies space. The space matter occupies is called its volume. And when you weigh all these things in the weighing balance, it has some weight also. As you have some weight, you might be weighing around 30 kgs, 25 kgs. That is the weight of your body. So we can say anything which occupies space and has weight is called matter. Everything in this world is made up of matter, whether it is water or air or any pen, table, paper, everything is matter. You cannot see the air, but it is also matter. For example, take a balloon and you can blow air in that balloon. When you weigh this balloon, it is heavy. It means it is the weight of this air in this balloon. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Everything in this world exists in all these three forms. For example, this pen, the book, it is solid. You can see the shape of these things also. This pen is cylindrical in shape. This comb is rectangular in shape. Then liquid. Liquid do not have any shape. It takes the shape of the glass in which it is put. So water, milk, juice, all these things are matter. Then we come to the gas. Water vapor and the oxygen, they all are gases. These are the different types of gases. So we can say there are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid things are like pen, book, paper. Liquid are water, milk, juice. And gas is water vapor and oxygen, carbon dioxide. All these are gases. You cannot see them, but you can feel them. Even the gases have some weight. Now all this matter is made up of small particles called molecules. You cannot see these molecules with your naked eyes. You need a microscope to see these molecules. Now we are going to learn how molecules are arranged in solid, liquid and gases. In solids, molecules are very tightly packed. They are arranged very tightly. That's why they have a shape. In liquids, molecules are loosely arranged or loosely packed. And in gases, molecules are very far apart. Thank you, children.